Hello friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. Large number of people have a misconception that the IPO is the only time to buy a share, and that is the time the share is starting to go up, and that is the time you can buy the shares at the lowest rate. After that, it's only going to start going up. All these are myths. I want to give a clear idea about the IPOs in the last 6 months, the listing price, issue price, what is the premium it is commanding on the issue price today. After that, I am going to give you the statistics from 2010 for all the IPOs listed until today. Recent IPO performance of last 6 months. Chemcon Specialty, issue price 340, listing price 730, current price 421, and change over the issue price is 24% positive. CAMS 1230, 1518 is the listing price, current price is 1866, and percentage over issue price positively 52%. Angel Broking, issue price 306, listing price 275, current price 313, and improvement over the issue price 2%. UTI Asset Management 554 issue price, today's price 557, listing price 490, only 1% above the issue price. Mazagon Dock 145 issue price, listing price 216, today's price is 216, 49% above the issue price. Likita Infrastructure 120 rupees, 130 is the listing price, current price is 330, and the change over the issue price is plus 177. 7. Equitas Small Finance Bank, issue price 33, listing price 31, current price 58, change over the issue price 76%. Gland Pharma 1 rupee share, trading at 2487, issue price 1500, 66 above the issue price, 66% above the issue price. Burger King 60 is the issue price, 115 listing price, 137 current price, 128% change over the issue price. Bector's Food 288 issue price, 347 current price, 21% trading above the issue price. Anthony Waste Handling Cell 315 issue price, today's price 264 and trading below 16% of the issue price. IRFC 26 is the issue price, listing price 2490, today's price 2390, below 9% to the issue price. 13. Indigo Paints 1490 issue price, listing price 2607, current price 2378, change over issue price 60%. Home First Finance 518 is the issue price, 618 listing price, 470 current price, and trading 9% below the issue price. Stowcraft 385 issue price and then current price 435, listing and trading at 13% above the issue price. Brookfield REIT 275 issue price, today's rate 230, trading 16% below the issue price as of today. Nureka IPO 400 is the issue price, listing price 635, current price 640, change over the issue price 60%. Railtel 94 issue price, listing price 109, current price 140, change over issue price 49%. Coming to the last 3 IPOs, Heremba Industries 627 is the issue price, current price 640, change over issue price 2%. MTAR Tech 575 issue price, listing price 1025, current price 1036, and change over issue price 80%. Easy Trip Planners, the last IPO in the list, 187 issue price, listing price 212, current price 195, change over issue price 4% as of today. Now, summarizing the whole statistics, total IPOs listed in the last 6 months 21. Number of IPOs currently trading above issue price 17. Percentage of IPOs trading above issue price 81%. Number of IPOs currently trading below issue price 4, and percentage of IPOs trading below issue price 19. Considering that any percentage between 1 and 10 or even 15 above the issue price is also negative, that 4 IPOs currently trading below issue price can be increased to 7 or 8. Now I am going to give you a wonderful statistics which you may not get anywhere. We have done through our research. Total IPOs listed since 2010, 499. Number of IPOs currently trading below issue price 309. Number of IPOs trading below issue price is 62%. The summary of the whole video is many IPOs which are trading above the issue price as of today, in the years to come start going down below the issue price. So no need that a particular IPO has to be always profitable. If you see the statistics, 62% of the IPOs are not profitable, only 38% are as of now positive, and the bear market comes, the 38% may become 30 and the IPOs trading below the issue price may become 70. I hope you have liked this research article of ours, and in case you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra channel, this is the time to press the subscribe button, bell icon too. If the video is good, press the like button. And then if the video is good, send it to all your friends so that they too can make their own assessment about IPOs they are likely to apply in the future. And then, my dear friends, if the video is good, you can put good in the comment section so that we will feel encouraged, we will feel somebody is tapping our back for the good work we are doing. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.